Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अब तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of GTech and it's a hiring for Python developer in Tons, and let's talking about this company. So Architect is a pioneering division of under the group is a part of forefront in the integrating artificial intelligence of software solution. Our mission is to harness of the power of AI to redefine of the technology landscape. So opportunity highlight is that cutting edge project of dive into AI/ML initiatives that are shaping of the future. Hands-on experience of gain valuable insight of Python application, AI or API integration. Supportive environment. Thrive is of vibrant culture that nurtures and innovatives and the growth, and all these things you have to know. And we are seeking for a solid fundamental of Python programming, a keen understanding of AI ML with the desire explore API development of integration, exceptional problem solving ability to eagerness to learn, and a student, those who have a student of pursuing recently graduate or computer science or related field can apply. And this role is contribute to the development of AI driven application, work collaborative with AI API integration, innovative projects, and all these things you have to know. And the duration of this internship will be 6 months, and all these things you have to know. And they are hiring for Mumbai location. So how to apply for the job? So once you here is the application form. So first of all, you have to just fill all this form, and after that you have to submit the application. So this is a very simple process. You can go and check about this. Next job is coming from Global Logic, and it's hiring for associate analyst for Hyderabad location, and those who have a 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. So Global Logic looking for a proficient, talented, and work in the mapping AI ML data innovation related content. So requirement is that though any graduate must have a degree, professional certification, marks demo can apply. Reading and handling content, good communication skills, written and verbal, good judgment and decision making capabilities, fast grasping power of quick learner, and good generation structure problem solving reports, and all these things you have to know. And good verbal communication skills required. And job responsibility is that timely deliver productivity and meet as SLA with the highest possible quality standard, communicate with the participate in the project forms, optimize exciting process, and provide ongoing feedback on the tool of process, customer feedback, monitor in satisfaction, and the dive program of to improve number creation, problem solving, analysis skill. And all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job? So you have once you here is the apply now, and first of all you have to just fill all this form, and after that you have to apply. So moving to the next job. Next job is coming from company, and it's a hiring for software engineer for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this job description. So it's responsible for designing, building, delivering, and maintaining a software application and service, working in the area of machines, cloud platform, and the application responsible software lifecycle, including activities such as requirement analysis, documentation, process, and implementation. So roles and responsibility is that collaborative with the system engineer, front-end developer, and the software developer implement the solution are the aligned with the extent of shared platform solution for SDLC methodology like Learn, Agile, XP, and software and the product security, stability, and write code with the means of standard deliver desired for functionality using the technology selected by the project. Build features such as service and queries and exciting tables, understand performance parameter and access application performance, work in the code of data structure, algorithm, and implementation using the language of choice. And for this role, those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science, STM, a major science, technology, or engineering or math can apply. And all these things you have to know. And experience with Angular and C# technology, experience with web development using HTML, CSS, experience with database, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job? So you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about. Going to the next job. Next job is coming from where, and it's hiring for graduate engineer, trainee developer, and they are hiring for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this responsibility. So as a fresher, you will be involved comprehending a business needs to translating them to in the functional software solution. Will be collaborate with the stakeholder, ensure the software aligns with their requirements. So apply you will be apply statically and machine learning techniques to extend insight from data additionally, and you'll generate a report of dashboard of communicate these uh, findings actively and develop solution. And if we effective communication, and as every study will be communicate data finding and the recommendation of stakeholder and the client. So job knowledge and education, those who have done a bachelor degree of higher computer science, ISIT can apply. At least 1 year of experience of front end back end development is technology, and proficiency in .NET, SQL or React, JavaScript framework, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will be, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 different job role, what is this job role and how to apply for the job. एंड अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल डू सो. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. टिल देन गुड बाय.